You won't believe the goals that were scored by this United States Youth National Team player at MLS Next Fest. We attended the U15 match between LA Galaxy and New York City FC, and here's what went down. Beginning the match, both New York City FC and LA Galaxy had some close opportunities at goal, but neither team was able to take the lead in the first half. Beginning the second half, everything would change as just 4 minutes in, United States Youth National Team player Matthias Albert scored an Olympic goal to put Galaxy into the lead. Though New York City FC would not go down without a fight and equalized 6 minutes later thanks to Peter Molinari. It was now anyone's match up for grabs, but just 5 minutes later, Matthias scored another goal, but this time a first-time volley into the top right corner. New York City FC needed to find an equalizer with time running out and had some clear opportunities at goal, but LA Galaxy held on to their lead and secured a win and 3 points in their final match.